Okay, so this next video, I'm going to walk you through some of the differences from the ambulance to the rear entry. So obviously there are some nuances and differences between each one, so there'll be several videos that are just showing those differences. So let's start out. We're going to select the POC. We'll select our dates. Again, your special customers are listed here, which I taught you in the ambulance version. So now we're going to select FR chassis, which are the ones that are being pulled from our inventory and that you're verifying your VINs with Julie at the office, or if a customer provides their own vehicle. So let's do that. We'll select customer owned. It'll give you the details about the service fee that we add on. Again, it's $200 to build on a new vehicle or $400 on a used vehicle. So if we select used, and then we fill out the pertinent information for the customer's vehicle so that the girls in the office know exactly what vehicle is coming when they do the conversion. So we'll select the vehicle manufacturer. In this case, is going to be a Dodge Caravan. Do they need the tire? Yes or no? Again, this is specifics for the factory to know whether or not they need to reinstall it. The year of the vehicle, so we'll say it's a 2018. The manufacturer, again, it's a Dodge. Dodge, and then the model is a Caravan SE, let's say. What color is the unit? Let's say it's a black vehicle. And then the VIN. So you can just type in the VIN or you can cut and paste it. And then tell us exactly how many miles are on that vehicle. So let's say there's 235 miles. And then you'll continue on just like normal. So now this is where you'll select your conversion type. So we'll say it's a long cut. There's your $11,000. The next couple questions are specific to a Dodge Caravan and a Toyota Sienna. So these are our standard aftermarket products that come with the vehicle that we need to annotate whether or not we're utilizing them. Obviously, you're familiar with these. They were in jot form, but just to review them quickly, all standard vehicles come with 2 aftermarket Friedman seats in the back. So you can say, yes, I want those, or any of these other options, or you can completely opt out. If your customer says, no, I don't want any second row seats, you can click opt out. None of this impacts the price. It's just going to print out on the printout so that the team at the office knows exactly how to build your vehicle. The second question is about the standard force Q strains that come with the vehicle. Again, you can select how you want them mounted, which ones you want, or if you do not need Q strains at all, again, we can opt out. The last question is where the pucks are located within the floor. Obviously, we can put them in different positions, so we have those listed here so you can say whether or not they're the standard location or the optional location. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see it has the $11,000 plus the $400 upcharge that we added in, and that's all that's being charged because this one is not involving the VIN or the chassis price into it. In the next one, we'll go over some of the specifics to Dodge and Toyota in the options section.